Where's the Weather Channel?
Up there.
Up there. Where's up there?
Up there.
The feather?
Yeah.
What is
I'm a bird.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's a feather. Why is it scary? Can I take it off the board?
No. No.
What? What is wrong?
Don't make it off.
Why?
Because I go back downstairs.
It's not even a possible reason. What is wrong with the Weather Channel? Okay, bye. Cynthia! Cynthia! Wait. What are you doing today?
Okay, Mom.
That's interesting. Why are you scared of the Weather Channel? Or the bird or the feather? Cynthia.
And I'm scared.
Cynthia. But why are you scared? Cynthia. Any closing statements? Another hardcore story with Emily and Sarah. Emily.